general conception of the world is that the world is one, and the form to approach them is also one, the sciences,
well,
natural sciences, most exactly. Is it correct?
No, it's not clear what it means. I mean, in the natural sciences, one sort of works by a kind of a hope that things will become unified, but they never have been. I mean, up to the present day, there are aspects even of physical theory that are not unified. I mean, take gravity, still not unified with weak forces. People hope that there'll be a unified theory of nature. But of course, when they talk about nature, they're talking about a very special part of it. There's no rational reason to believe that things like human thought and action belong to the kind of nature that physicists are talking about. That's the Cartesian problem again. So sure, everyone, kind of hopes somehow that there'll be a more unified way of explaining things. The reason for that hope is just that you hope for deeper understanding. And if the universe turns out to be divided into separate realms, you won't have understanding of why those realms differ or what their relation is. So naturally, one hopes that there are no limits to understanding, or, actually some people might hope there are limits to understanding, and I can see reasons for that too. But within science, you kind of act on the working hypothesis that you can always understand more. And to say that you can always understand more is to say that you expect a kind of unity of nature. Because every time you link things up, like you link biology and chemistry, you understand a little more. You understand things about biology that you couldn't understand before. But whether there are limits to this process, whether the world is in fact designed so that there is a unified account of everything, it's an open question. And the idea that humans might be capable of finding it, even if it's